Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. Today we're going to be cooking this absolutely gorgeous piece of gammon. Look at that. How nice does that look? So I'm going to be scoring the fat along the top with my knife. I've done the best I can on the fat, but it's not the best job if I'm absolutely honest. I think I need to put knives on my Christmas list. Anyway, we've done what we can with that. Now I'm going to be using the probe, but we're going to air fry this in a foil parcel. So a little bit of an interesting one. So it's a little bit different this. So I need to insert into the center, and you always want to get the middle part when you're using the probe. So all I'm going to do is just go through the foil like that, make a small hole, and then I'm going to parcel up my gammon. You've probably seen on my YouTube, I've got loads of different recipes for pressure cooking gammon. I've got slow cooking gammon, which is really lovely. So this is a bit different. Let's air fry. By using the probe, it really does take out the guesswork involved in cooking this. So let's insert this end into the lid. So that is ready. That is nicely sitting in the middle of that gammon. General rule for cooking gammon, around 25 minutes per 500 grams plus 20. Just so you know, my piece of gammon is 1.672 kilograms, so it's a fairly big piece. We're going to get this onto air fry using the probe. It'll give you a probe temperature that you're currently at and then your target temperature. I'm at a point where we're now getting close to this being cooked. The probe temperature is coming up. Let's have a little look at what we've got in here. Let me get you a closer look. It smells so good, I can tell you that. My kitchen smells absolutely gorgeous. So we have got a little bit of crispiness on that top, even though it has been covered, which is great. Now we need to add some good flavour to this. So I'm going to be using honey and mustard. Get your brush it all over. And I want to leave this uncovered now with the glaze all over the gammon. Great, so our gammon has come to temperature and let's have a look. Oh, lovely. That is lovely and crispy on top. Let's get it out and have a look. Here we go. This is my beautiful air fried honey and mustard gammon. I am so pleased with this. It is so deliciously moist. Oh my goodness, it is just incredible. It tastes so good, and that took no time at all really, and not a lot of effort. So if you're making a Christmas gammon this year, grab a copy of my Christmas cookbook. You're going to absolutely love this recipe.